Oh, hey, what you doing in there?
I was just getting my ass massaged. We're doing the video now. My great-great-grandfather, his passing left me some inheritance, and part of this was a magnificent vehicle by Bavarian Motorsports. And I put it in M2 and drove the shit out of it, bro. I walked it out there 3rd gear, bro. It's fucking crazy. I've owned this car for a year. You don't have to. This is my 2014 BMW M5 Space Gray Silverstone. Let me give you the rundown. In my year of ownership, I've had a grand total of 0 problems. 0. Check out the mileage on this bad boy. I have a 0 fucks given mentality when it comes to mileage. If I am going to buy a car and I have to worry about the mileage that I put on it, it's pointless. So here's the thing, I had an M550 before this, and I love that car. It was really fun, the sound was amazing, but unfortunately, one day, you know, a little drunk driver came and just... Holy shit! What the fuck just happened? Just absolutely macked the rear end, as you can see. So then I was left with the choice of, well, what do I get as a replacement? The logical solution would be the F90. I am a stupid, 23-year-old, but I do want a house one day, and I was thinking, why don't I just get something cheaper? Titles in the bank. So here's the thing, I knew if I got an F90, then I would run into one issue, and it's the same issue I faced with the M550. Depreciation. If I own it for a few years, I'm probably gonna lose like $30,000 in value. So I was able to get this car for about $27,500 out the door with a warranty that covers me all the way up to 180,000 miles. I'm literally chilling. I'm coasting through my ownership with this. Bro, there are literally so many different places you could take a nap in this car. But hey, let's go for a little ride and I'll show you what it's all about. Here's the thing. You're not getting an M Light with this car. It's like there's not really compromises on shit.
What M Light are you talking about that would compromise?
All around me are familiar faces.
Well, it's like, if you compare it to what I had before, the M550, this is just completely different. It's got kick. This transmission is just, you can't even compare it to a ZF 8-speed, even a tuned one, because I've had them where it's tuned. It's just the way it shifts is just so, just instant. It's enough to push you back in your seat each time. I've owned a 428, 535, M550, and all those 3 cars combined, I've driven 140, 150,000 miles, let's say. And the driving experiences just don't compare to this car. Literally so different, and the reason for that is mainly the transmission and the power delivery. When you floor it in this car, it keeps on giving all the way up to redline. It keeps pushing you more and more into your seat as you're flooring it, compared to like a normal 535, let's say. It's just, halfway through the range, it's just, you're done. Now, I did have other options, when it comes to an M car. I mean, I love the 5 Series personally. I love the comfort side of it. But, I could have gone with the F80, I could have gone with M2 Comp, and those are both amazing cars. But I feel like this car right now, I don't know if it's just because of the market, but this is very affordable. A $25,000 car is not that expensive, taking a loan out or anything. You're not gonna be drowning in debt. You put a down payment down. You're not gonna be underwater quickly like an M550 or a non-M car. I feel like that's the main benefit to this car. If you want a good spec, M4 coupe, you're gonna have to spend, 30, let's say low 30s, mid 30s, right? If you want a F80, a 4-seater, then you're gonna spend 35 to 40, even for a somewhat high mileage one, right? So this is just the best of everything, because you're not dropping a whole bag on it, but you get so much out of it. If you are a non-M owner right now, is go test drive something like this. I guarantee you, you will be surprised by how these cars handle in the corners. Now this car is a big car. It's not gonna handle even like an M240. M240 would fucking smoke this thing in the corners. But it's the way that it drives, the precision. I don't know how to explain it for you guys in the camera, but it's just so precise. It's like you point where you want to go and it just fucking takes you there. Look, if you're in the market for a used BMW right now and you want it to be an M car, this is the car for you right now. This is the car. Get an F10 M5. You're not going to regret it one bit. If you're tripping about, oh, it's just going to blow up, just get a warranty. It's not that expensive. And then you can sleep well at night. Just don't be indecisive, guys. Make up your mind. I'm telling you, you won't fucking regret this. Shit. Balls in my jaw.
Do you fucking mind? These fucking electric cars, bro. Let me make sure you can hear me. It's like, back up.
Okay, that was way too long. Shit. How did you find my hiding spot?
That was terrible. Do that again.
So unfortunately, we're doing the outro at an airport. It's no big deal. I don't know what to say. What did we talk about? I could literally forget about the warranty.
Fuck!
Okay, guys, if you're in the market for a used BMW, specifically an M... It's so fucking big. I had to record this. This is going on my only... Oh, Gray Evans.
What the hell are you listening
What are you
to?
doing? How dare they enter thy establishment? I'm going to choke thee. Okay, now we're chilling.
Little does he know, I'm gonna be selling this on his OnlyFans.